What's up, YouTube? It's Master Ben, Epoch Trades here with another video. Just going to do an update on how positions are doing and kind of just some overall things. Starting off, we're just looking at Teal Street. Using this for the layer 2 data or order book spread down here. It's a sweet site to use if you want to see that level 2 data. Kind of gives you the living, breathing of the market. Usually just use it on lower time frames just to see momentum. Looking pretty good here. Big move up. Take a look at ETH over here as well. Not looking as hot, but we do on this lower time frame here have a bit of a support level here if we're looking at a range, but taking some hits on the downside at the moment. Overall structure, where is that going? It's looking like the top right corner. So on this one here, kind of zooming out, bouncing around. But the main reason what we're looking for today is just an update on positions. So had this long position entered a while ago on the 5th, been holding this for quite a while. Finally seeing some upside here. I've taken some partial profits. Still think we can see some more upside. We do have these two prints to the downside. Mid-range here is looking like some resistance. Two prints to the upside. Still see some upside here in the future. But I did move my stop to break even. So right now, risk-free trade. We're going to let this one ride. And hopefully we can break through mid-range here and keep on going up. Another position we had here was CFX. Looking at the top of upper limit here. We had this resistance here. Resistance, and a strong move to the downside. Now we've just been kind of consolidating around our resistance level. It's kind of sitting at break even. Did take a little bit off the table when we saw this dip. Just looking at the 1 hour chart, we kind of have this range here with lows right here. So support level on the lower time frame, but macro, we're kind of looking for a downside move. Could be a potential that we get stopped out here if we mark this NPOC level here, but my bias is bearish right now. We're sitting at upper limit. On balance volume is sitting at resistance, actually breaking lows, making lower lows. Broke a structure here, retesting that. So if we can see OBV continue to drop, it's a good sign that price is going to continue to drop, hopefully knock down our NPOC levels here. We also have position on HBAR, so we already took profits way down here. We just front ran this NPOC level a little bit. I'm still holding short. We did close out this NPOC level on the top there. So if we were looking to re-enter some shorts, this is the area we would be looking for. But risk-free trade, I moved my stops to break even on this one. So I'm just going to let it ride. I'm not looking to add any more short exposure here. Just with the way things have going. I know we're sitting at resistance with BTC. We have a breakout here, which looks pretty promising, but OBV is also at resistance. So kind of something we were looking at before. We have these prints to the downside. So with these price action, we broke through, maybe knock down this this NPOC level here, and then continue to the downside. We could just continue to go straight on up. I actually didn't even look at the chart here before. I didn't notice this breakout, so that kind of looks quite bullish that we could see this continue to go up. But let's take a look at ETH here as well. Kind of still sitting within this range here. Didn't really break our highs here from the other day on Tuesday. But two kind of setups that we're looking for. Either we pop up, close this NPOC level at the top, and then drop down, or we're kind of looking for a drop down and continue up. Now, do we get the retest down below? I don't know. It would be nice to buy again lower, but then again, we've had multiple opportunities to buy at these lows here. Do we get another opportunity? I don't know. But those are kind of the game plans that we want to see here. We have alerts set at our NPOC level up here if we get a test there, and then continue down, and as well lower if we get lower prices there. But another position just entered this one last night or this morning. I forget what time it was, and along here. No, it was last night. And we see kind of a range here. So we had price go up, come back down, find some support. Looking at on balance volume as well, when we hit this support again, look at this structure here on balance volume, making a higher high while price is sitting at the same support level. And we did enter right on this NPOC level here. So we might get a retest back down, but with the price action here, hoping that it just continues to move on up. A lot of open air. I mean, looking at the chart as well, our only NPOC prints are above. So we've closed this one out on the bottom, which has been our lows. And it seems like now that is where the bottom was. I can't really call it bottom whether or not, but just the way the chart's looking at here, close out this NPOC level, take out the lows, and it's looking pretty bullish to the upside here, especially with this structure here and our OBV. I mean, that looks pretty bullish to me. Not too bad there as a starter, but almost like a 4R trade on this one. So we'll see how this one plays out and keep you updated. Anyways, this is just a quick update on positions and kind of overall getting better at this. You know, I'm still learning, so don't make fun of me. I'm going to look back at these in a couple of years and just laugh at myself. But, you know, with every video, we'll get better. I'll get more knowledgeable. And we'll just keep on trading, getting better. So thanks for watching.